Hey everybody, Adam Tracy. I wanted to field a tough question which involves taxation of Bitcoin trading profits, or lack thereof as the case may be. Seems to be a hot issue, and the question becomes, how do I record my profits? And that all starts with the IRS's pronouncement that Bitcoin's property. So if you're thinking of it as property, the closest sort of comparison you can use and techniques you can use relate to like inventory. So if you had like a store and you were selling widgets, right? You buy widgets, you sell widgets, okay? And there's two methodologies that you can use, primary methodologies that you can use with respect to inventory, right? LIFO and FIFO. LIFO, last in, first out, and FIFO, first in, first out. So in a rising market such as Bitcoin had been, you'd want to use LIFO, last in, last out, right? So for instance, I buy one Bitcoin today at $4,000. That last Bitcoin that I bought is deemed to be the first one that I sell tomorrow for $4,500. So I have a profit of $500. Now the same scenario, right? In the first Bitcoin I bought 3 years ago, it is $50, and I sell it tomorrow for $4,500 under a FIFO, right? First in, first out scenario. That means I recognize a gain of over $4,000 and get taxed on that much larger amount. So generally speaking, when the market's rising, you want to use LIFO. When the market's falling, you want to use FIFO, and you have to commit to that, and you have to continue to use that over the course of a year. You can't change that methodology mid-course if you see the market turning. But it is important, and you do have the ability to sort of calculate it at a year end and look at it both ways to see what is the least tax impact. Now, of course, I have to tell you, this is not tax advice. Legally, I'm required to tell you this is not tax advice. So this is not tax advice, but I knew somebody who would do this, and they told me about it, and they said, if you are trading Bitcoin, maybe this is one way you want to look at it. I'm not the guy who's telling you that, but that's one way you can potentially think about it, because again, this is not tax advice. So anyway, if you have any questions, email me at tracyfirm, TracyFirm.com. Thanks.